It is Thursday morning. We're at Bayview, and this pretty girl, well, you see her elbow, has brought this bird in after it was a big dog, little bird syndrome. And we've gone and put in some sutures over here. There's approximately 6 sutures. There's 4 there and 2 there, closing up a hole over the left knee. Anyway, with that in mind, we have several other puncture wounds, but I do my best not to cover up those puncture wounds if the bacteria can make its way to the outside. So not only do we have a crushing injury on the whole bird, we've also got several puncture wounds everywhere. So wherever any hole is, to where there'll be pressure enough to put that hole in the bird, there's got to be another hole on the other side. So we have tons of holes in this bird, but the larger ones have been sutured up so we didn't lose too much blood and keep our air sacs and integrity intact. So the antibiotics have been started, wounds have been prepped, and local blocks have been used. So far this guy has done really well for surgery and the procedure. With some antibiotics. I don't want him feeling too well, although, you know, if we need to do some pain relief, you can call me and I'll talk you through a home remedy. Okay, but for the most part, the better he feels, the more he walks, the more he moves, the more damage he can do to himself. So as long as he's sitting perfectly still for a while, still breathing, still eating and drinking, then we got a good chance of this guy making it. Okay, how big was the dog?
He was, well, one of them is about,
so we're looking at about a 40-pound dog, and you know,
yeah,
all right.
30 and 40 pounds.
So that's a lot of dog and very little bird to be chewed on. So anyway, so far so good. Our bird's not too shocky, although I had given him medication for a shock. He's actually, you can see him relaxing now, so we're feeling a whole lot better than we did before. Now it's just a matter of getting him to heal and sit still. I'm not finding any broken bones or any issues, and I didn't want to stress him out any more than we already have. So I think we've done well.